National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Comanche County in southwestern Oklahoma, central Tillman County in southwestern Oklahoma, until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles west of Frederick, moving east at 40 miles an hour. This is a destructive storm for Frederick. Expected hazards include baseball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Frederick, Tipton, Chattanooga, Manitou, and Hollister. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows.